how to fix video sound is gray out or disable. So you can see here, if I try to tap on the speaker icon, it does not work. So here's how you can fix it. So a number of things can cause this issue. So let's discuss it one by one. Okay, so if you go back to your home screen and open up Photos app, in here, if you play a video, you can see here with this particular video, this icon has been gray out. If I play another video, you can see there is a sound icon. Okay, so what you want to do is open up the video that you have a problem with, and then tap on this icon right here. So tap on that. At the top here, there is a microphone icon, so tap on that, then tap on done. If you go back to your video, you can see now this icon can be now turn on or turn off. Okay, so that is one of the things that might cause an issue with your video. Okay, so if this is not the problem, then it could be that if you are downloading a video from the internet, when you are downloading the video, it only downloads the video but not the audio file. And if that video has no audio in it, then you also may see an issue with the gray out or disable icon. So you might need to re-download your video from the internet if you face that issue. When you are streaming, you can hear the sound, but when you download, it may be download just the video without the audio, or the audio is not compatible because of the encoding on your iPhone. Okay, so that is another thing that you may want to check. Now, if you are using the camera to record a video and you have no sound, then make sure the camera have access to microphone so that it can use microphone to record sound. And make sure your microphone is working correctly, and ensure you have sound going through with the microphone, and then try to start recording with your camera. So those are the few things that you can check to see how you can fix a video with disable or gray out sound from the bottom here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.